Hey, what's up, guys? Today, Zinvo men's watch. Let's open this box. And 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh, cool. Okay, but first, what we have here? Oops. So first, it's a 2-year warranty. It's beautiful. Yes, and polish cloth and manual book. You see, definitely you can find your language here. I hope. Okay, this is a manual book, and so watch itself here. If you remember, maybe a couple years ago, I already did a review for the Zinvo watch. It's this is my second review for the same brand. Yes, looks very interesting and very fresh. Okay, guys, today we have a Zinvo blade Nitro. Nitro, it's like blade, it's a series, and Nitro, it's exactly model what we have today. Retail price $289. You see how this like second hands or turbine move looks cool. $289. I don't have any promo code for today, but when you subscribe for news from the company, they give you $25 discount for first order. You can see this offer on the screen right now. It's good. So yes, $289, and you will get what? Worldwide shipping. It's nice. Free returns. It's great, right? And 24 months warranty, 2 years warranty. It's beautiful. Yes, it's a good point. So this watch has you see automatic movement, right? It's Japanese automatic movement Miyota 8215. Case, it's a case size. It's a 44 millimeters without crown. It's a big crown here. And 13 millimeters thickness. It's full thickness, it's 13 millimeters. The case material, it's a stainless steel, it's a gunmetal. You see, it's gunmetal, and on the crown we can see logo. If you maybe don't really like this type of color, you can select something different. It's in this series about 30 different models in a blade series. You can see some on the screen, but if you click a link on this video, you can see everything, all 30 models. Okay, so case size, okay. Dial, you see, a second, you see it's a 1 second spin turbine. I really like this. And the date window behind the turbine, and you see the date without any problem, right? Yes, looks very nice. Holes like markers. What about strap? Some models come with a leather strap, looks cool, but in my case you can see it's a silicone, and size 24 millimeters. 24 millimeters, but in lux. About crystal, I'm not sure. Perhaps it's a sapphire crystal, but I think it's a mineral crystal with a sapphire coated and a scratch proof, scratch resistant sapphire coated mineral lens or crystal. Water resistant 5 atmosphere 165 feet or 50 meters. It's more than enough for just regular activity. Okay, what about crown? Just regular, very fast. Pull push crown. Yeah, smooth movement. Miyota 8215 with a power reserve around 42 hours. Cool. Okay, backside. Now you can see this movement very clear. Yes. Water resistant, 5 atmosphere, Zinvo blade, stainless steel, and the serial number. And yes, Zinvo blade. Nice looking see-through case back, right? Looks like a really solid watch, but remember, $289 only. I prefer a rubber strap because leather strap, it's every maybe 1 year you need to buy new one because it looks not so nice. Rubber you can use for years, and especially if you do some real activity, water activity, and you swimming or snorkeling or especially diving. Great color, dark blue. I really like this dial, black and dark blue. Cool. I really like this watch and the strap. It looks, especially on my wrist, very nice. Okay, let me show you one more time. Pin buckle. Yeah, you see, it's a quick release movement. You can swap the strap very fast, just seconds. You don't need any extra tool for this. So I think we're done, right? And now you can see how looks Zinvo Blade Nitro model. Yes, click link and you can see many different models. If you decide to buy something, just sign up and you will get $25 discount right away. It's a good choice to save, $25. Free worldwide shipping, 2 years warranty, and free returns. If you're unhappy with the watch, just send it back. You pay nothing. Yes. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website iReviewWatches.com. See you next time. Thank you and bye bye.